Everything looks good on your site, but after you made some changes, the sidebar disappears. And when you scroll down, you see that it's actually pushed below the content instead of appearing next to it. This is a very common WordPress layout issue, and you don't need to be a developer to track down the problem. It's usually easy to fix once you know what's causing it. So in this video, you'll learn why this happens and how to fix the sidebar below content error in WordPress. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Before we dive in, you need to know what causes the sidebar to appear below the content. This usually happens after a change has been made to the site. That could be a theme update, a new plugin installation, or even an unclosed HTML tag can throw off the layout. So you need to find out first what's causing this WordPress sidebar issue before you can fix it. Let's start with method 1. Undo recent changes to your WordPress theme. If the sidebar issue appeared right after you made changes to your theme, that's the first place you should look. Start by thinking about what has changed. If you edited theme files, added custom CSS, or adjusted layout settings, try reverting those changes by clicking this undo icon and see if the sidebar snaps back into place. If you're using a child theme, switch temporarily to the parent theme to check whether the issue still exists. It's also a good idea to make sure your theme is fully updated. Theme developers often release updates that fix layout bugs and compatibility issues, and running an outdated version can easily cause problems like this. Method 2. Clear your WordPress cache. Sometimes the layout isn't actually broken, you're just seeing an old cache version of your site. Begin by clearing your browser cache. In Chrome, click on the 3 dots at the top right and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Make sure to check cached images and files, click Delete Data, and once done, refresh your page. If that doesn't fix it, move on to clearing your WordPress cache, especially if you're using a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. If your site is connected to a CDN such as Cloudflare, don't forget to clear the CDN cache as well. Once everything is cleared, refresh your site again and check whether the sidebar is back where it should be placed. Method 3. Rule out plugin conflicts. Sometimes WordPress plugins may also add their own HTML and CSS to your website that might cause layout issues. To test this, you need to temporarily deactivate all your plugins. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and select Installed Plugins. Check the box next to the plugin at the top of the list. Then open the Bulk Actions menu, select Deactivate, and click Apply. Once done, reload your site. If the sidebar immediately returns to its proper position, that means one of the plugins is causing the error. From there, reactivate your plugins one by one, checking the site after each activation to find out which one is causing the problem. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. Method 4. Fix broken div tags breaking the layout. As we mentioned earlier, unclosed div tags are one of the common causes of the sidebar moving below the content. To check this, open your browser's developer tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Carefully inspect the HTML structure and locate any unclosed tags in your theme files or post content and close them properly. You can also use an online HTML validator, like the WC3 Markup Validation Service, to quickly spot errors. Simply paste the URL address of the page where the sidebar is broken, and then run the check. The validator will scan the page and tell you exactly where the HTML error is. Once you've found the broken HTML tags, fixing them will solve the sidebar appearing below the content issue. Method 5. Find the CSS pushing the sidebar down. If the HTML looks fine, the issue is very likely CSS related. Using your browser's developer tools, inspect both the content area and the sidebar. Look closely at CSS rules affecting width, float, display, and margin. Even one incorrect value can push the sidebar below the main content. For instance, if your content area is 70% wide and the sidebar area is 33%, then it will automatically move down. When you calculate these values, you may also want to consider the space used by padding and margin values in each section. But what if the sidebar is still below the content? If you're unable to resolve the issue yourself, consider hiring a professional developer to troubleshoot and fix the problem. And that's it! Fixing the sidebar below content error in WordPress is essential for maintaining a clean and professional website layout. By following these methods, you can identify and resolve the issue, ensuring your sidebar displays correctly alongside your content. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.